Alright, hello everyone. Guess what I've got today? Another Causebox. So this box is the spring box. As you can tell, I haven't opened it yet. It came, again, pretty banged up. The corners are kind of not in super great shape, and it's a little dirty. Let's open it. I'm trying to show you what I want to see too. Oh, I like her. She's very fun. She's so happy. Then there's their pamphlet with all the information regarding the products that were in the box or the other products that were available that I didn't pick. And there's another little cute sticker. So I actually use these and I put them on my iPad. I have like a case and it's kind of like bare and gray, and I wanted to add some decor, so I've been adding my little stickers. So I'll put it right here in the meantime. Ooh. Oh, sorry. COVID. Oh, bye-bye, Nanny. Alright, so I was saying, look at this postcard, it's so pretty. She's very fancy. Look at her with her flowers. Wow. First item is wrapped in plastic, first of all. That's disappointing. But it's this very cute bag. It's bigger than I thought it would be. I wasn't sure I was gonna actually need this bag, but now that I have it, it has a lot of compartments. So it has like 2 pockets in the front here that are open, so you know, you can just slip your hand in and get whatever you want in there. And it's like a nice bottle size, so you could like have 2 bottles in the front here. On the inside, you have pockets, and I have this little pocket that is zipped. I love the zipper, it's so cute, it's tiny. Oh, that is adorable. And the size of this is like good enough for your phone and your like wallet and other important stuff. I think some people might get annoyed with the zipper. It's smaller than you're used to, but also it's smaller than you're used to. So if you have like a pit pocket or something, someone is trying to like get into your bag and get your important shit. Well, they can't because, aha, it's zipped in and the zipper is a little smaller. So I actually like that. I think that's really cute. Oh, and there's a little clip here so you can like, you know, attach your keys or something. Neat. I think this is vegan leather if I remember correctly. I like it. I think it's cute. There were many colors available. There was 3 colors, well 2 colors and 1 pattern. I wasn't gonna go for the pattern because I knew I would get tired of it very quickly. I had the option between this blue and a very icy gray. So what does it have to say here? This Feed Project's Canvas MArket Tote is $108 value. It's very nice, but why is it worth $108? Through this partnership, we've donated 900,000 meals. So this bag is one of the best sellers of the company to this day. So that's cool because I'm guessing that means that it's, you know, well thought out and the way that it's made. Okay, so this was made, if I'm not mistaken, from the artisan team of Causebox, which I feel like they've had some issues because all the things that were made in-house from Causebox are things that I've heard the most negative feedback about online. It seems like it's well done. There's no loose strands, not like the famous robe I got. Everything seems nice and straight and properly designed and ironed and measured. My bag seems fine. Maybe not $108 fine, but it still seems fine. Next product is this Stress Check Sleep Spray. That's kind of hard to say. Okay, so I remember this product because some people were saying that this was unsafe for cats, and as you can hear, I have a cat next to me. The company This Works, as well as Causebox, have stated that it doesn't do any harm to your cats or pets. Use at your own discretion. It does have essential oils that can be dangerous for your cat or your pet. Ew, I don't like that smell. That's disappointing. I'll try it once, and if tomorrow I like it or I don't like it, I'll let you guys know. Okay, so now for the Stress Check Sleep Spray. This anxiety buster helps reduce tension, improve sleep quality, and loosen all those knots in your stomach so you can get some restful, restorative sleep. Made with 100% natural essential oils, spray your pillow when it's time to get into bed and let yourself drift to sleep. Can you tell? I'm not super excited about this one. This I was confused about. So it's a sponge. It looked weird online. So this is what it looks like. It's just like it has like a little flower in the middle, and it's hard. It's not, you know, it doesn't smell like anything. It says it's infused with French pink clay. Wet sponge and warm water. Massage onto skin in circular motions with or without cleanser. Natural Konjac root. Initial thought, I wonder if it's actually good for your skin or anything like that. It seems kind of gimmicky, so I'll try it. I don't think it's gonna be like the end-all be-all. I don't think it's gonna be like this new thing that I absolutely need in my routine. It's gonna be good for like a month and a half, and then after that I'm gonna have to throw it out, so. Next product, ooh, that's heavy. Ooh, I know what that is. That's like the charger. Wait, what color did I get? Oh, I got pink, purple. I don't know my colors. I got lilac. Cool. All right, so it does have quite a bit of packaging. This is recyclable, so that's cool. So it comes with a cable. I think it'll fit my phone, so that's nice. What's this bag? 141 Tech Recovery Project. Cool! Fill this bag with your old and unused electronic devices, print out a free shipping label, throw it in the mailbox, and we will take care of the rest. And this bag is made with 100% recycled plastic. Oh, that is very cool. Wow, unbelievable. That's so cool. It gives you the opportunity to go through all your electronics that you forget to get rid of in a safe way, and they do it for you. It's kind of like a really nice reminder. I think that's a genius idea. Like, it's not too heavy, so it's nice if you want to carry it around, which, you know, is kind of the whole point. 100% eco-conscious tech brand. The only portable charger out there made from 72.5% recycled plastic and shipped in plastic-free packaging. We want tech for good to be the standard, not the alternative. And there was a bunch of colors available. So I got purple. I've been wanting one and I've been putting off buying one. So this is perfect because it fits in with all my ideals. It's made out of recyclable stuff and it's small and it's cute and I like it. I wonder how many charges this can hold for my phone. And I have an iPad now too, which I would also like to charge on the go. But yeah, overall, I'm pretty happy with this. And I love the idea of like sending a bag where you can just put recycled electronics in there and then just send it back to them. Next product is, I don't remember this. Oh, cool. I know what this is. Ooh, it smells kind of funky. Ooh. It smells new. It doesn't smell funky in a funky way. So this is the tech roll. Look at how cute this is. Very neat. I really like the color. I feel like it's very in trend color right now. And I can supposedly pack a bunch of stuff in here, regardless if it's for school or if it's for tech or if it's, you know, any other things you might need in your life. I will say that I had this kind of roll and ultimately I did find that the rolling aspect of it was kind of annoying if it was too full of stuff. If I were to put everything that I got in here. Oh wait, this can go in here. Okay, can this go anywhere? It can be in here. I have this actual tech thing that doesn't fit here. Let's just pretend that it goes here. Once it's full of stuff and you try to roll it, then it's kind of awkward. There's no way of closing it, you know? So it is cool in theory. The manufacturing seems very well done. I don't see any loose strands. These laces are nice and even, and they have a nice finishing golden edge here, which is very cute. What the heck? Why isn't it closing? Oh, okay. I just wasn't inside the hole. Next up was the last product. Am I at the last product already? So this was a choice product, which I can't open the box. Our natural skincare products will forever be vegan, certified cruelty-free, gluten-free, pregnancy-safe, and free of the following ingredients. So there's a lip exfoliator and a hydrating lip mask. Ooh, that smells very sweet. Ooh, ooh, that is, smells like, oh, I know what this smells like. You know, like that store-bought icing that's kind of like whipped? Yeah, it smells exactly like that whipped vanilla icing. Okay, maybe I can kind of taste it. I know you're not supposed to eat it, but like, oh. So this product was made in Canada, then it was shipped to California, where it was reshipped to Canada because that's where I am. Oh man, that lip scrub is delicious. This here, hydrating lip mask. Okay, it smells sweet, but not as sweet. It's kind of like toned down. Maybe I can still taste it. Yeah, it just tastes like grease. But it smells really good, but it doesn't smell as strongly as the other one, which I think is good because the lip exfoliator, you use it very quickly. So even though it smells very strongly, You just wash it off not long after, whereas this you have to keep it on your lips. But yeah, I will say that the packaging is a little heavy because it's like glass. Maybe not the best if you want to carry it around all day. I think it would be really cute just, you know, like on the side table of your bed. So it says here about the vanilla lip exfoliator. Thanks to all natural ingredients like shea butter and sugar, many fans call it the most delicious exfoliator in their beauty armoire. Ultra moisturizing balm is specifically formulated for your lips. It hydrates, plumps, and nourishes, leaving kisser-licking downright dewy. Great for when you get a little too much sun or for when the seasons change and we move into that forever chappy territory. Very neat. Now about the company, it says 3 Ships was founded to keep beauty honest using only natural ingredients that they're proud to list on their packaging. They also make these products accessible and affordable for all, promising to never price a product over $40. Oh, cool. I'm happy I got them. I always need more lip hydrating products. So, this box was kind of all over the place, wasn't it? I will say some of the products I'm very excited to try out, but 2, maybe even 3 products I'm kind of like, about. Alright, well that was it guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If there's anything you agree or disagree with, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you guys. I just love interacting with people on YouTube. It's so much fun. I feel like there's like a real conversation going on the few times that I do actually get comments, so don't hesitate. I love it. Do you want to say goodbye? Do you want to say goodbye to the people online? Why do you cry so much? Ew. What's wrong? What's wrong, girl? Alright, so thanks for watching. See you all later. Bye! Wait, whose ending is that? I think that's simply illogical. I can't use that. Do you want to say goodbye? Goodbye, guys! Okay, bye-bye.